So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is actually Vishwakarma Puja. So today I thought why not to show you whatever we are going to do at our home, right? So that is why I want you to please watch this video until it very end. And actually this is kind of a vlog, right? And in this vlog whatever I am going to do today will try to show you, right? Means overall you will get to learn a lots of English sentences. Even there are lots of complicated English sentences you will get to see in this entire blog, right? So that is why guys, this video is going to be very crucial for especially for those of you guys if you are a villager guy, right, as I am. Okay, so now I want you to please watch this vlog until very end if you guys really want to make your fluency to the next level. So keep on watching. Okay, so by the way, if you guys are watching for the first time or if you guys have come to the channel for the first time, then you might have a question, Nakul, where are you right now? Actually guys, my first job is to tie my pets. So that is why today I have come right now to tie my pets. And by the way, as you can see, there are lots of pets here, right? And okay, I'm going to show you the scenario of this place, right? Yeah, so this is mine and this one and the third one is here, right? Yeah, and by the way, I have tied all of my pets and now it's time to go back home. And as I told you, will try my best to show you whatever I will come across with, right? So keep on watching. And actually he is also going to tie his pets, right? Yeah, and the same work actually he is also going to do. Okay, there is another guy and who is also coming, and actually he is a guy and his name is Bhot. And by the way, if you guys continuously watching my videos, and then you might have know him, right? And his name is Bhot, and he is also going to do the same job that I have done, right? Yeah. Guys, actually this morning it was raining, so that is why the road of our village got completely muddy, right? So now as you can see behind me, just behind me, यहाँ बहुत पानी है. इसका इंग्लिश क्या होगा बताओ? वाओ, हरा भरा. And here there is a kid and coming just in front of me. Tell your name. Okay, so finally I have come to my faucet. Now as you can see, this is called a faucet that gives us water, right? And now today is Vishwakarma Puja and today I have to go. There are lots of places, so that is why it is necessary to clean up my teeth. So that is why. So first I am going to break the branch of this plant, right? And then I am going to make a bristle on it. Then we'll clean up, right? Actually this is kind of a stem, right? And there is a plant here and this plant called kya bolor, brush. By the way, I don't know the specific name of this plant, right? But yeah, right now to make a brush, I just break a small amount of stick or stem, right, so that I can make a bristle to clean my teeth, right? Yeah, so first by chewing, first I have to make the bristles here at the top of this stick, and then I am going to clean up my teeth. Right now I just sat here to clean my teeth, right? And now as you can see, I just made bristles at the top of this stem, and now it's time to brush. Okay, so now while cleaning my teeth, I see here, wow, there are lots of flowers here just in front of me. Now as you can see, right? Okay guys, so here while washing my face, here I got a fruit, I can say, but it's a vegetable, right? So now I show you closely, right? You might have seen, right? You might have seen sooner or later, right? But yeah, here and now I want you to please you tell me the name of this vegetable, because even I don't know the name, but actually I know its name, but what doesn't come to my mind right now, right? Because I didn't use in my video even, right? Because I didn't use ever in my videos earlier, right? So that is why what of the vegetable doesn't come to my mind right now. So now I want you to please, you guys tell me the name of this vegetable, or you guys find out the name of this vegetable in English than me, right? Yeah, as you can see. Okay, so I would like to show you my teeth. Do you guys think it's okay? Yeah. Okay, so now it's time to have something, but I don't know will I show you anything or not, because there will be obviously a lots of people. There will be my mom, my dad, my brother. So because of my shyness, I won't show you, I think. But we'll try my best to show you, right? Actually, this is the kitchen room, and here my mom says here there is a glass and it has tea for me, and with these two biscuit, right? By the way, I don't love to eat biscuit, but it says it is not good to have tea just, right? So that is why my mom kept it here to have along with the tea. Guys, the action of doing called dipping. I just dip these two biscuit into the tea, and then we'll have. Okay guys, so this is the key, and because of the Vishwakarma Puja today I have to pray to our bike, right? So now, so first today to wash, yeah, to wash the bike first I have to turn on the bike, right? And then we'll take the bike outside from my house, especially to the faucet, right, to wash. Okay guys, so right now I just completed washing my bike with the help of this motor. Okay guys, so just after washing my bike, now I have brought them here, and now I forgot to turn off my bike, right? These are kids. Okay, so now guys I am going to show you the different view. Actually there are some of the people who are plugging coconut, right, to pray for the Vishwakarma Puja, right? And from the tree, now as you can see, just in front of me there is a huge, right, there is a huge coconut tree, and there are lots of fruits, right, means coconut. And there are some of the people, and they are plugging, right, with the help of our long bamboo, right? And I'm going to show you.
নিচে জল নিচে ডলার দিয়ে জল জ্বলছে
খাবা তানে রে, পূজা করবা তানে রে। So this is a older one, right? This is called a bicycle or cycle, right? It has rope. First I have to put it up here now, but it's older, so that is why my mom here, she tied here, right? And now first I have to untie this knot, and then I will take this bicycle to outside to wash. Chala bol ki bolchi bol. Guys, so this is kind of a man at our village, and who always bother me when he watching me while doing something on my phone, right? And even right now he was abusing me, right, just a few minutes back, right? But right now I just said I am going to show you live in my phone, and that is why right now he is quiet for a moment. So by the way, it's time to move my pets, right? Or actually we milk one of my cow, so that is why, while means just after moving my pets, and then I will have to take one of my cow to milk at home, right? So okay guys, you just keep on watching, and whatever I will come across with, I'm gonna show you. And by the way, here there is water, so that is why first I would like to put off my slippers and then I hold it into my hand. And there are two calves, right? And they are coming just behind me. Guys, यहाँ बहुत पानी है. इसका इंग्लिश क्या होगा आप लोग मुझे कमेंट में बताओ. And again, देखना ते कितनी देखा ला? आज वायरल होलो थी आज. ना फेसबुक टा डाली लेना. जाए नहीं जानवर होगा जाना माजी. Okay guys, so just after coming here to my destination, and my destination has to come here at this place especially to move my pets, right? And by the way, just after moving my pets, now as you can see my pets or the calf is grazing here, right? And now actually there is another one and who is also have come to do the same work, right? Okay, so by the way, just after moving my pets, now move to my another cow. Actually the cow my dad has tied her in another place, so that is why just after moving these all of my pets, move to the next one. Okay guys, so right now I have moved to the place where my cow is available. So now as you can see, and she is grazing, but it's time to take back home to milk, right? But here I wanna teach you some interesting in English by the way. And here you have a task. एक होता है आई एम हंग्री, लेकिन अगर आपको कहना हो कि मैं भूख से मरे जा रहा हूँ, मतलब कि ऐसा लगता है कि इतना भूख लगा कि घर भी नहीं जा पाऊंगा ऐसा लगता है, तो इसको आप इंग्लिश में कैसे कहोगे? बाय द वे आई हैव टीच यू मेनी टाइम इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो, बट टुडे राइट नाउ आई वांट यू टू प्लीज यू टेल मी in the comment by translating the meaning of this sentence. So now just after reaching home I give water. Okay, so now I grab two of these towel into my hand because it's time to have a shower. Okay guys, so now I just took a bath and time to go home and apply oil into my hair and my body. But before I going, my mom asked me to take a bucket of water, so that is why first I have to rinse it with water, then we'll fill with water, right? Yeah. Okay guys, so right now I just completed filling and
Jangan malah pindah di lagi lah. Kau cool?
Okay guys, so right now I have sat here on a cycle, and actually this is the cycle of her, right? This is not mine by the way. And okay, so let's learn English by using this cycle. Okay, so today right now okay I am going to, अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि कैसे सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाता है, ठीक? अगर मुझे कहना हो कि मुझे साइकिल चलाना अच्छा लगता है, बाइक चलाना नहीं, तो इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कहोगे? देन यू कैन से आई लव राइडिंग साइकिल देन अ बाइक. मीन्स देन के बाद जिस चीज़ का आप नाम लेंगे उसका प्रेफरेंस कम हो जाता है, राइट? या ओके,
Tata, tata, bye.
या okay guys, so right now I am here again outside from my house and going to the river. Yes, I am going towards river, especially to my pets, because after few moments I will have to take all of my pets home. So that is why right now I am going. And actually this is the end clip of the video, and I hope guys you have learned something new from this video. If yes, so please give it a like, subscribe, and if you want you can share with whom who are interested into learning English as you are. And at the end, I would say happy Vishwakarma Puja to all of you guys who all are watching the video from here. Okay, so bye bye.